Hi, I'm Khushi, a 20-year-old content creator living in Mumbai. And if you think my life consists of waking up, going to Pilates, hopping cute cafes, and getting free products, well, it does. But it also consists of projects, deadlines, art blocks, and running late 24/7. So here is a realistic week in my life as an influencer. Enjoy! Hello everyone. Basically, today I'm going to an event in Alibag, and it's not just an event, I'm actually shooting some content for them, which is like a paid deliverable, if that makes sense. This is not the outfit, the dress is the outfit, this is just a male repellent. But I thought I would start the vlog now that I have a new freaking phone, which is crazy. Oh my god, look, the fountain is so freaking pretty. Anyways, I really want coffee though. Okay, my driver is super cooperative and now we're stopping for coffee. Sorry for all this chaos. I can see a Starbucks near me and I can also see this place called Nandan Coffee, but honestly, I did not love the coffee there. So I think I'm gonna try this place. 40 minutes late, but first we have to get coffee. If my manager sees this, she's gonna slap my face. Hey guys, so this is the official welcome to the vlog intro. That earlier thing was just a hot mess. Basically right now I'm going to an event. This is my actual outfit. That was my cover up. But anyways, today I'm going to an event in Alibag and I was supposed to reach the place we catch our boat from at 11:15. It's currently 11:50 and here I'm making my coffee pit stop. Like, if my manager sees this, she is literally gonna slap my face. Like, she is so stressed for both of our life and here I am just living life. But I know I will be grumpy if I don't get my caffeine, so I knew I had to make this pit stop. Right now I am at Kala Ghoda Cafe. Never had coffee here. I think I did actually a year ago and it was horrible. But I just think I ordered the wrong thing. So today I asked these two girls what they ordered and I've ordered iced cappuccino like she suggested. So hopefully it's good, and let's get our coffee and let's get going. Let's check if our coffee is ready because my cab driver is waiting for me. I'm so late. Thank you. I was right. This is so bad. Like, it just tastes like condensed milk. Ew. It really tastes like milk mixed with condensed milk. Where is bougie when you need it? There's one ice in my iced cappuccino. Who lives here? I barely ever come to the gateway. I feel so touristy right now, but I'm so late. This is a very accurate days in my life as a creator because I am always running this late. But hi. Okay, we have made it into the middle of nowhere. This is my new friend. Hi! And oh, we're getting a drone shot.
Good news, no baddies.
No baddies?
Damn, then I think we need to go back.
Are we not a baddie?
Right? These look so pretty. It is nice.
The creators in their element, just like shooting stuff with their tripods, and I look exactly like them from the BTS of this clip. This is the villa. I thought you aren't here yet.
Am I in your vlog?
Maybe I'll cut you out, maybe I'll keep you in. Guess we'll never know. Literally so hot and I've totally forgotten to vlog, but we were filming all our footage for an hour because I don't know if I told you guys, but we're supposed to make a proper dedicated reel. Like, this is a collaboration, so all the creators here have to make some sort of content for the Instagram, and I think I'm almost done with mine. Mallory's been helping me and I've been helping her, so that's why I forgot the vlog. But it's like pretty fun vibe. There's like some cute activities. They just booked out this whole villa and there's also some drinks that I need to get because
We also wrote a note to the planet.
that's not a note, that's literally a note to yourself. You're like, be good to me, bye.
opposite shore. Hello, moon. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope.
Hey, today is Friday and I'm currently at the mall. Gonna grab some coffee and let me tell you what we're up to. Basically today I have to go to Zudio to source clothes for this brand deal I'm doing with them, where I have to make outfit like fit checks and whatever for them. But right now I've stopped by the mall to get coffee, so that's what we're gonna do first. This is the outfit. It's literally so fucking crowded. It's 1 p.m. on a Friday. Like, I know I'm here, so who am I to judge, but like, why are there so many people here? Okay. Made it to Zudio. This is the top that we have to work with. We have to take two colorways in this pink and then the striped one. I have to figure out what bottoms are gonna go with these tops. Oh, I saw my friend. Oh my god. Okay, this is the top in extra small. I think this is pretty cute. For the bottom, this is what the brand wants me to wear. But this is what I was going for, so I think I'm gonna try and convince them for this one. Okay, like that is pretty cute. Okay, I'm almost done with picking everything that I need for this shoot, except footwear and a shirt that I apparently have to pick, which I do not want to wear a shirt.
But the brand's like, no, wear a shirt. And I'm like, it's not gonna look cute. And I don't like when brands do that. I'm not trying to shit on the brand I'm working with, but I don't know, like Zudio is usually pretty chill with these things. But they're like, no, pick a shirt. So I was just calling my manager. I was like, Mommy, please save me, please talk to them.
Because I have so much to do when I go home, and today we're going to this event by Tira in the evening, and also my friend's doing a bar takeover, so we're gonna go there. It is a long day. I'm also going to Lola tomorrow and I have to figure out my outfit for that. Literally been sitting here for like an hour waiting for them to like finish shit inside their little room. Well, so did not film any of the getting ready process, but after I came back from my Zudio thing, I basically had so much to do. Like, I was on my laptop getting shit done, and also, as I said, I had to help my mom. I literally like just got done 30 minutes ago. It's like 8:30 right now, and I have just finished drinking my protein shake, and I have done my makeup. This is the outfit. I'm just wearing this really bedazzled top that I got from Sarojini. I'm just like tied it in the back. I'll show you later. And this little brown satin skirt and some white heels that I got today from Zudio. Let me show you my bag. This is the bag. Very perfect. I think I need a better place to give you a fit check. I'm just gonna put my new Jean Paul Gaultier perfume. Kinda digging my eye makeup. I have been doing so much more of like liners and kajals lately, but I'm gonna talk about that in the cab. I don't know how much I vlogged at the event, but now we are back and we actually got a PR package. So let us give you a haul. It's like an auto haul. Do you want to film me? Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. So first we got Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. But Innisfree sunscreen. I really wanted a sunscreen, so I love that. We got Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I've never tried the purple one. This Youth to the People face moisturizer. We got Miso Snail Cream or something, and then Plum moisturizer, and a Swarovski gift voucher for 500 rupees. Very cute haul. I'm so happy that we live in a city where I can wear this on the street at like 11 p.m. and not be concerned for my life. We found it for girls.
your back. Yeah. So turn around and baby, on your side. I'll let you lead to the back. Go ahead, go with it. Yeah, go ahead.
Why does my skin look so good though? It is the next day from the Tira event and I so did not want to work out today. I was like dead tired. My legs hurt from dancing in heels and I have to walk all day today. But I ended up going and it was perfect. I went 10 minutes late, which I was like stressing about, but I just perfectly skipped the legs part and then I had upper body and abs and for the majority, and it was amazing. Exactly the workout I needed. And now I feel so fine and refreshed and I'm gonna get my iced coffee. To get ready, I'm going with a brand, it's Corona, and I have to film stuff for them in golden hours. I have to get there in time. And I literally showered, I did my makeup, I ate my lunch. But let me quickly get ready and update you. I literally just left. This is the outfit. I'll show you better when I stand up. And I put my coffee back in the to-go cup because I don't know if we're allowed to like take our own cups inside. Also could not find my lip liner, so this is literally my brown eyeliner. Okay, lip balm was done and I'm almost halfway there. I literally was telling my Uber driver to like drive in the rightmost lane because I wanted the sun, and then any car that would pass by us would literally block it. He was not understanding the assignment because he was like, girl, this is the slowest lane, like do you want to reach or not? But I was like, I just want to get my shot. So I did get my shot and I am genuinely obsessed. I look so pretty. Like I am pretty self-aware like that. No, but genuinely like I am being like so self-obsessed right now, but I think it's totally acceptable considering how amazing my makeup looks, my fit looks. Life is good. I am almost here after literally what feels like hours. I'm 2 minutes away and I'm super excited. Like I literally took a bajillion TikToks and reels in the car because the lighting has been so good throughout and my makeup's so good, my fit's so good. You get the point. But the point is that I'm almost here now and I just hope that I enter before the lighting goes down because I have to make the reel and it says in the brief that I have to make it in golden hour. So I need this lighting to be there when I go. And yeah, I think I'll have lipstick on my teeth. But anyways, I'm super excited. I feel like with music festivals, I'm always like not that excited. Like I'm like, oh chill, whatever, whenever I buy tickets. But when I'm like about to go, I'm like, oh my god, it's actually happening. And then I see everyone around me like in cabs, like super dressed up, and I get so excited. I'm like, oh my god, it's actually happening. It's gonna be so fun. So that is what we're up to right now. Let's get this shit going. I'm so excited to see Shawn Mendes. basically. There's nothing holding me back. I see it in your face when you say that you're the one that you want, and you're spending all your time in this wrong situation. Better than he can, and then you go like you deserve love. The time when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better.
Bye. Thank you so much. You put me on a pedestal. Ripped it off my mind. Oh, I'm begging you to come. Now that I'm with only our kisses. And is it wrong for me to not want to have? I want all of you, all the strings out. I'm good at keeping my distance. I know that you're the feeling I'm missing, that I hate to admit, but everything means nothing if I. Oh, you got.
Is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you? I just got a little boost of energy. I look like a rat because I do not know how people who put kajal ever take it off, because what is that? What? I look like a raccoon. But anyways, it is the next day, Lola day 2. I don't know if I'm going to Lola today. Let's see. As you saw in the last clip, we were on some guy. Who was that guy? A random guy literally approached in the crowd. I was like, listen, are you single? And he's like, yeah. And I was like, can I literally hop on your shoulders because I cannot see shit from here? And he's like, sure. And he was a really nice person. And then I just ended up hanging out with him and his friend group for like 5 hours. And then I came home at 3 a.m. That was the vibes. I don't think we're meeting again though. And I think it's his problem because he's just a bit like, I don't feel a little well. And I'm like, get it together. But anyways, we're not going to dwell on that. We have so many exciting plans. Right now I just have to eat breakfast and then shoot for Zudio with all the clothes I got. I'm going to shoot that. Then we have our Sunday rituals. We're going to go to Bougie. We're probably going to go to Pilates. I'm not sure. And then I have like 2 friends to meet. So we have a packed day. Okay, this is how life should be. This is how it should be, guys. Like, you're not going to revolve your life around a stupid man. Like, you have your own plans and your own life. And you don't care if it's a man, a friend, anybody. You should not be like moping around in your house if somebody cancels. Like, you should be going out and getting shit done and having alternatives at all times.
And I don't know, it's weird. Has anybody else experienced that?
I'm gonna change my workout set, and while I hear back from my manager on if the clips are fine, I'm just packing this bag. I'm taking my book with me and probably gonna put in some journals and my Muji pens. This is all the mess that I've created, but I have to clean that. Blow dry my hair. I literally love that they have a Dyson here. I just feel so fancy since I don't own one.